So ladies and gentlemen, we just want to say blessings and respect for forward out and support the next vlog. This vlog me and start it off right now because I just go up on the road and forward back. Today is Sunday and I just upload a vlog and I see a youth comment. I want to see him name. I think him name Kevin. I think Kevin him name. Cause I telling you now, how me I want to communicate is through the comment section. Wanna tell me what you want and me talk to you through the comment section, and in comment and him say yo, yeah, him name Kevin Brown. Him comment and him make me know say yo, me need an oxygen machine to put more oxygen in the tank because me never know, me don't know nothing about tank. Me I learn meanwhile me I do it. So me go out and I buy this have to put behind the tank, this have for the wallpaper. I buy this have for when me I do the water change and all of them something. When me I clean the tank, me definitely need this. These are the hoses for hook up everything when I buy. This are the air pump, you know what I mean? So this connect to that, then it connect to this. Yo, if you take care of them something is very expensive, so my money to cost me. I have to plug this to this, then plug it to this, put this in it and the bubbles and everything come up through that. So yeah, basically that I buy for right now. I'm gonna buy some shelf. What me I go do, when you see the candy thing them I make, I go put them up on the wall and then put out the jar with candy them on it. It's a weird way to start the vlog, but as me say, blessings and respects to each and every persons. Each and everybody will follow out and support the vlog them daily. You know what I mean? Me soon I'll drop a like. If you know like the vlog right now. If you don't like the vlog already. Because I see all the people, I know all the people like the vlog before them actually watch the vlog, but the like help me and the comment them help me. So if you never like the vlog yet, give the vlog a like right now. Blessings and respect to me, appreciate it. Leave a comment, as me always say, if I even big up my GSM. So yeah, me about to deal with this and then check back in with you know. So I'm soon forward back. See me put it in it them behind them stone there. And me not tell a lie, they must swim more. Cause them two yeah, never they really they all over the place to swim. But they must swim more. And we just put it in already. Me don't know if me I go switch the background right away. Me not sure about that yet. But them look like they love it already. Cause they must swim more and down up on the place. Them two flatty yeah. Flatty they never does swim so much. You know what I mean? He may for the over place to swim up and down. Him loving ya. Come like a film place. But yeah, they love it now because I see them all swim through it already. Watch him. But they ain't go to swim through it. Yeah man, a film tank. I buy the light on Amazon. The light supposed to forward tomorrow Monday. The light supposed to forward tomorrow, so yeah, we wait on that for tomorrow, and then the fish tank is officially a fish tank. Today is Monday. and I just hear them beat on your door. When I go downstairs, it's a package. So this have to be the pump. You know about the pump, this have to be the light. Yep, it's definitely the light. Wonder if I buy the right size, or that's the thing now. Yep, definitely the right size. Stretch all the way across. It have off. It have, I guess this way I call this LED. It's like a blue light. The LED light I bought because the stone them. Me have couple stone in there where I glow in the dark, so you know what I mean? Switch back to regular light. Feeding time right now still, so them move. This are the real LED light. It fit perfect on the tank as I shown you before. But one problem. Do not use over open water. The part of vlog you knew when you never see me really do something like this before. What I talk about is me have some new music I followed up on premiere right here with Uno. My G's, cause you don't know. Me have to make Uno hear them first. Uno probably hear some of them already. Yeah, if you not follow me on Instagram, you probably hear a preview of them before. So me just go preview them here so again. Tell me if you don't like them. So the first one is a song we have called Your Love. I don't know when me go drop this yet, but more actually do the video feed and drop it same time.
P-Tunes beat.
Your love for one more, just give it, girl. Your love for one more, just give it, girl. Your love for one more, just give it, girl. Your love for one more, just give it. Baby girl, you me want, you me need. Without you, it's like I can't breathe. Plus you have some good nice style when me rate. And anytime I call, you never come late. You don't know a 6 at the code for the gate. And me have the anyway you love drink straight. So tell your boyfriend you a come back late. And your best friend birthday, today are the date. Say you a help out, say you a cut cake. Him not do a thing, cause them boy they a plate. So when you a left, bring a took go plate. Remember 6 at the code for the...
Me now play with all of them. That's just a next little snippet of the first one. The one they name Your Love. As me say, I'm not sure when me I drop the one day yet, but I think both will do the video first and then drop it with the video. Next song is a song with me, Bourbon and Chabas. I've gonna probably hear it before preview on Instagram. But this is me, Bourbon and Chabas. Me play piece of it.
Bourbon beats.
Yo, watch out. Go while you have water circle, you know.
Yeah, man. Real way.
I just positive vibes, you know. Positive vibes. Yo, watch out now. Ooh, I straight positive vibes only. Be a good people surround me. Have me girls so me never lonely. I'm a king, cause me queen crown me. I straight positive vibes only. I be a good people they around me. Have me girls so me never lonely. I'm a king, cause me queen crown me. Say them I live life on a stress. Life for the best. As me wake up, me give thanks cause me blessed. Then I earth for me chest, so the weed me a rep. In a brand new clock, so me clean to me step. Yo brother, never sell out on one side. We prefer we a live with life. No grave, no stretcher. Them say them a do it, but we a do it better with the girl. Them prefer big. A straight positive vibe.
And this soon drop. Soon drop. Then me have a next one when me do call Pray.
Hey yo, Bourbon. Cause me no know why mankind so stubborn. Me no know. And anytime we touch road, you know me think go. Listen me. Them no know about loyalty, not real. Me best friend, not pray for kill. Been through it all and me heart's feel. Eat for no reason, I murder still. So me not give up life out there fi live up. Even when me broke and have nothing fi the cup. Look to the sky and me pick me Bible up. I fi give thanks even though me don't pan luck. So me have to pray just to see another day. Father God, hear me my prayer. Yeah, me have to pray just to see another day. Father God, just guide my way. So me have
much look me have a question rings. Plus, brother kill brother every day. Me know a mankind, but I know say you fi stay. Me see kids just a dead boy, pull it way astray. Cause you claim say you bad and hence you a spray. Plus nobody now listen and nobody now hear. It a go be too late when they reach too near. Three of them song there. We are drop soon, so forward back to support them there as soon as them they drop. Blessings and respect to each and every one of them who forward out and support yet our next vlog. Remember, if you never like the vlog and now, remember to leave a like, remember to subscribe. Blessings and respect for forward out and support our next vlog. Up it, no pity. Until next time.
Hold on there, before you click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirt, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Up it in the